Hello friends, today we are talking of Titan. Titan, as you know, is a company which is dealing in watches, which is dealing in jewelry, fine, and the results, as you can see here, the results are likely to be on 2nd February 2023. Now in this connection, friends, I would like to invite your attention that the budget is on 1st of February, number one, and second thing is that the US Fed meeting is on 31st January and 1st of February. So these 2 days can be very, they can affect the share market very well. The market can be volatile, but the results of Titan are on 2nd February, that means after the results. There are certain very interesting facts about Titan, and one can make quick money and good money in a short time. Now I have already purchased Titan, and I would like to examine with you how Titan actually is likely to perform, number one, and why I have purchased Titan just about 2 days back. So friends, let us go and first check the Titan results of Q2. Now just understand, Q3 results are on 2nd February and we are examining Q2 results. So there is one site at Rediff Money, you can see here. You can go to rediffmail.com, click money, and then the format will open and you can definitely see. Now friends, this is actually the Rediff Money. This is one site on which all the parameters are on the same page, that is one page. Now if you see friends, as far as the sales is concerned, fine, the sales quarter to quarter actually was very weak. However, it was 15% high when you compare Q2 sales, that is September 21 and 22. There was just a 15% increase in the sales. The net profit, however, increased substantially in Q2, which was roughly about 10%, and also at the same time September 21 and September 22, it was roughly about 22% plus. So as far as the sales was concerned, but it was okay year to year. Even the operating profit was good year to year and the quarter to quarter, fine. So our main concern actually is the operating profit, and operating profit, if you see, operating profit was quite good, or I will say very encouraging, from year to year and quarter to quarter. Okay, and even incidentally, Mr. Nokia, you were very enthusiastic about EPS. EPS also increased by roughly about 10-11% from quarter to quarter and about 20% from September to September quarter last year. Friends, our main concern here is that net profit. Net profit, if you see here, net profit margin, September 21 it was 8.88, Q1 was 8.81, and it increased. So that means as far as the net profit margin was concerned, there was no issue Q to Q and at the same time year to year. Now you remember that in Q1 there was a problem here of COVID, and therefore these profits were less. Now we are shaping very well. We hope even the quarter, that is Q3, also is likely to be very good. Therefore friends, now we will check on the Titan, and I would like to explain that why I have purchased this product 50% so far. Here if you see, this is actually the weekly chart which I have taken, 9 months weekly chart of Titan, and if you really see, it is not suggesting in any case that we should buy, because the 2 moving average of red actually is still declining. This shows that in coming 1 or 2 days time or before the results, the share can still decline, because both these are have the blue is the price moving price of the product declining, and the red is the moving average of 2, that is also declining. So it is not suggesting that we should buy. Fine. Now the results are due on 2nd of February. Fine. So let us check this Titan on the daily charts. What daily charts say? Daily charts say that we should not buy, right? But here see RSI is suggesting a good buy. RSI is suggesting that it is 30.47. You can see here 30.47. Therefore, each time this was in 1 year's time, it was 9 months time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I think this is 9 months chart or 1 year. So that means 5 times in a year, whenever it came to RSI 30, the share actually went up. Whenever it came, it went up. Whenever it came, it went up. Whenever it came, it went up. And again it will go up. The nature of RSI is such that it is in the oversold zone. From oversold zone, it has got to go to overbought zone. Okay, now rest assured, I am not saying that you will make money very quickly, but the chances are, if the results are good, then you can aim for a target of minimum 2750, right, or even 2775. From the buying range today, which is coming, is about 2300 to 2310. If you get the share between these two prices, then you can see it is almost about 20-25% jump, maybe in about next 15 days, or even if it is in a month's time or 2 months time, it is still worth it. Now, once the moving average starts going up, the price starts going up, like in our weekly charts, we just have to continue for a long chase. And that is precisely the reason that 2 days back I have purchased it at 2360. I was thinking that it will go up. It has not gone up. Nevertheless, the RSI is suggesting a very good buying time. If at RSI 30 you are not buying the share, then when are you buying? Friends, I must tell you that RSI 30 is an oversold zone. RSI is a leading indicator. That means it predicts the future. It is predicting the future that this share will go up. So, looking to the fact that it is predicting the future, you can continue to buy. I have purchased, and I think that at RSI 30, good share everybody should purchase. So that is what is my opinion today. You can check with your broker, and you can take a decision buying or not. But between 2300 and 2310, as I have written here, I will make a huge buy here, and let us see what happens. Nothing will happen. I will make money. You also will make money, but you have to take a decision on 27, 28, 29 January, whenever is the 26th, 27th is Friday. That means Saturday, Sunday. So 30th is the one day. So you have to take a decision quick whether you want to buy or not. However, friends, the signals have already come, and that is the golden share. Titan will give you golden results. That is what I perceive. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Be with me. Be in the share market. Don't miss any opportunity. Indicators are meant to indicate when will the when the buy comes, and accordingly you take the decision. So earn tons of money. Let's be together in the share market. Thank you very much.